Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Previously, I made a video discussing how EMT is an equipment grounding conductor. And just real quickly, I'll go to the code here, 250.118 types of EGCs. And we have the wires. And right down here, number 4, we have electrical metallic tubing. So both are perfectly good equipment grounding conductors. But what about the metal box? Is the metal box also an equipment grounding conductor? Here we are back at 250.118 types of EGCs. A, permitted. Each equipment grounding conductor run with or enclosing circuit conductors shall be one or more or a combination of the following as part of an effective ground fault current path. So the key word here is enclosing. I believe that a metal box would be enclosing circuit conductors. Now we're at 2026 NEC Article 250.109, metal and non-metallic enclosures. Metal enclosures shall be permitted as part of the effective ground fault current path. Okay, then down here we have metal raceways and cables connect to electrical enclosures such as cabinets and boxes. So a box is an enclosure according to that, and here metal enclosures shall be permitted as part of the effective ground fault current path. So there you go. So I would say yes, this metal box is an equipment grounding conductor provided that all of the EMT fittings are properly installed and tightened all the way from the panel. Thanks. I hope this is helpful.